Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure shows a cyclohexane ring, which is a 6-membered saturated carbocyclic ring. Step 2. Identify the functional group. ACN, nitrilecyano, group is directly attached to the cyclohexane ring at C1. Step 3. Apply IUPAC nomenclature rules for nitriles. When a CN group is directly attached to a ring carbon, the carbon of the CN is counted as C1 and the compound is named as cyclocane carbonitrile. The CN carbon is included in the name as carbonitrile suffix. Step 4. Construct the name. The parent ring is cyclohexane and the attached CN group gives the suffix carbonitrile, yielding cyclohexane carbonitrile. Step 5. Verify. No other substituents are present on the ring, so no locants or additional prefixes are needed. The pH 110 notation refers to the problem number in the MS Chauhan question bank, not a phenyl group in this context. Therefore, the correct answer is cyclohexane carbonitrile. The correct answer is shown on screen.